welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup eye look for you guys today. So first I just want to point out, please excuse my eyebrows. I know they look probably extremely dark compared to usually. They are extremely dark because I use the Naked Urban Decay Basics 2 palette for my eyebrows. I've done that for years now, and I don't know if you all can see. So this is the color that I use, right? Well, it's completely like gone. Can you see that? Yeah. So this color is completely gone. So this color is completely gone, and this color is very, very loose. It's pretty much broke. My son dropped it, so it's really broke. So this color has gotten over into here, and I thought it was just that brown color, but it was the black color. So we're just gonna make this work today, okay? It's not that bad. I mean, I could take it off, but then anyway, it's gonna take me more time to take it off than to just leave it. So we're gonna make it work today. If it bothers you, I'm sorry. But anyway, I wanted to do a kind of like a brown winged look today. I don't know exactly what direction we're gonna go in with this look. I did want to use my Morphe, what are you, 3502 Second Nature palette. I've already used this once before, but I used that really bright, like bright orange color. The color is called Fire. As you can see here, I used this color when I first used this palette, and I love that color. But I really kind of wanted to do like a brown look. So I'm probably going to use some of these like light colors up here as like crease colors, and then like a brown for a winged look. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know exactly what direction I'm taking this in, but hopefully it'll turn out all right. So the first color I'm going to go in with is a Universal. It's just a tannish light universal color. We're just going to put that all over our lid, kind of as like a base color. Some of you all can see that, but I did have some creasing in my eyelid. That's not like putting base color down. Because I do foundation on my eyelid, and so it's kind of the same color. I put the same color in there, but because I do the shadow, my opinion, I'm going to do my shadow now. I'll put base color down first. I don't want to do second color. Because usually it comes out really well anyway. So we're going with this one. And I do want the entire lid to be, well, the entire eyes will be brown. So this is a little darker than my base color, but that's okay. So there's that. So I am going to go not directly, but I'm going to go all over my crease with a darker brown. And I'm going to go in something, a brown that's a little bit lighter. And it's probably going to be Flux. So Flux is this really kind of pretty orangish brown, which I'm hoping it's not too orange. Now I tell you what, we're going to go in with Dust. I'm sorry, I keep changing it. We're going to go in with Dust. It's a really pretty brown color. That one's more brown. The other one I was afraid was going to be a little too orange, so this one's going to go all over our crease. God, it's going to pour down rain. So this one's going to go all over our face like this. That's such a pretty brown. If you don't watch a couple of my other videos, or about 3 or 4 back of my other videos, I've been using this Milani brown single eyeshadow. It is like the most perfect brown color. I love it so much. The only reason I'm not using it in this one is because I'm trying to stick with one palette, because I never like when YouTubers switch back and forth between a lot of palettes, because I kept thinking, what if like I don't have that palette, then I can't use that color, you know what I mean? So, and I didn't want the money go out and use my palette, like all these random palettes, so I try to stick to just one eyeshadow palette if I can. That don't be long, sometimes I'm going to have like 2 or 3 palettes because I want a certain look, and I want to go on something else. So okay, so there's that, all of our crease like that. Now I'm going to take a smaller crease brush, and then this one is going to go directly into our crease, and then I'm going to bring this out into a wing. We're going to go in with the color Rich, so just to darken our crease up just a little bit. Can I take something? Kind of like that. Okay. No, my eyelid got caught. Sorry guys, my eyelid got caught there, so I kind of brought it down to the end, which is fine, it's not that big of a deal. And then like that. So now I'm going to just take a blending brush with no product on it, just a clean one, and I'm going to blend just a little bit. Try not to get too close to that wing, and just blend these colors in and out a little bit. What? Good. Thank you. What? But I wanted to put just a little bit of color underneath, so I'm actually going to just go in with that base color that we had. I thought that was a good enough color. I'm actually going to put it on. I just wiped this brush off. It's the one that we did the brown wing with. And now spray. Shimmery stuff. Okay, so I'm going to take the color Pure, and I'm just going to go all over my eyelids. Okay guys, so we are going to go in with the gold shimmery color and put it all over our lids. It's called Pure. It's this really pretty goldy kind of shimmer. So we're going to put that all over our lids. So just using the same brush that I used for our base color is what I'm going to use. So actually, no I'm not. Just kidding. I'm actually going to take this one. It's called Detailed Shader, but I actually really like this one whenever I put Fix Plus on it and then go in with the shimmer. It's actually really nice to get into the corners to put shimmer on. So I really like this one. So let's do that. So it's going to be that. No, I'm going to stop right about there because I'm going to go back on that brown and blend it together. Come on. I think we're a little more over on the other eye. Take this out. What, baby? Are you underneath the table? I'm going to bring some of this gold eyeshadow down this way and just kind of blend it in with that brown that we put down there earlier, like so. There we go. So there is our brown and gold eye look. Really pretty. So I'm going to do the black liner and my mascara off camera because I don't think you all really need to see that. I'm just lining and then mascara and then fake lashes. So after I get that done, I will come back on here and we will finish off our lip and then we'll be done with the look. So give me just a second, okay? Okay guys, so my eyes are done. I just did a black liner as you can see and I did bring it out. I think it looks really good. I was kind of worried at first that the liner was going to be way too, bless you, dramatic for this eye look, and you can see my nose contour. So I tried to do a nose contour but I failed miserably, so just ignore that if y'all noticed that. Yeah, that's what that was. But I don't know what was going on with my nose. It wasn't holding any product, so I don't know, but just ignore all of this. We'll get it eventually. But yeah, so I just did the fake lashes and I feel like that really did, I mean, it makes it look a whole lot better, I feel like, in my opinion. So I really like the way this turned out. I think it's a really pretty look. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to subscribe if you liked the video. Leave me a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment down below what you liked about the video or what you did not like about the video. If you all would tell me what you would like to see, I can make those kind of videos, because if I don't know, I can't make those. So anyway, you guys, I hope you all have an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!